Hi and welcome to this episode. My name is Gustav, and if you've not read the title or understood it by now, today we are upgrading the brakes on my Golf MK2. Okay, this hasn't been started in a very long time, or a month maybe. There we are. Let's get rid of some of this snow. First off, wheel. Okay, this looks very promising. Haven't seen the underside of the car since fall. Yes, but with all seriousness, it looks very good. The fluid film, the lanolin is holding up very good noise. What we're doing today, we are upgrading the brakes from these original solid brakes. These are not even vented. There's no glide pins on the calipers. I'll show you. So we're upgrading from these. These are about 230 millimeters, 23 centimeters circa, to GTI brakes. The brakes are from GTI 16 valves, so from 140 horsepower, or what the GTIs are. And there are a few differences. So obviously the brakes, the calipers, the holders of the calipers are different, but also the hub or the knuckle is different. So the lower ball bearing is bigger, and also since you have different carriers for the calipers, those are different as well. So I'm not sure where to start though. Let's see if we can get off this first maybe. So that was a quick run to the store. Hopefully one of these will fit. 30 going on. It's 30. But now I have 28 and 29 as well. I'll let that work a bit. Loosened up yet? Whew. So the status now is have to undo these, or both of them. Then only the lower ball joint, and also I have to loosen the hose for the caliper, but the whole assembly can come off as one. So yeah, let's get it further up in the air. Oh, look at this spider. Where should we put him? Loosen that. That's loose. Nice. Then these. New attempt. This was a bit clumsy. Have to say, if you're smart, then you undo the caliper, maybe. Oh, it's a long bolt. There we are. That's off. I guess it's time for lunch. Apply some. Same goes for this. So here we are. I'll try to guide you through myself through the process. So you will need a new master brake cylinder, and that is because the piston in this caliper is much bigger than in this. So when you press the brake, there's much more fluid to be pushed. So if you don't swap out your master cylinder, you will have much more pedal travel. So you will need a new master cylinder. I hope the reservoir and everything just fits, because I haven't bought anything else. Hopefully. You will also need new ball joints, lower one. Ball bearings, ball joints I mean, because this is bigger. I'll flip them around. You don't need new brake hoses, but I thought I'd do that. And also this is the top mount, top strut mount. So I'll swap them out while I'm here. And you also need, like, you can't just buy the calipers, because you see that this hub is different. There's quite the difference. I'll start off with this. That was easy. Oh, and it was in the nick of time. Yeah, I'm glad I'm changing these.
Here you're supposed to use a special tool to unbolt the top strut mount. I didn't have the tool, so don't do it like this. And also compress the spring before you start, so you don't risk that flying off.
There you go. Not sure it. This is. What special tool is used there? Quite a lot better. Seeing how difficult it was to fit the brake caliper, I'll just remove it now and install it when it's on the car. Okay, ball joint time. Ow! brakes. I guess that's the first step of the slid just right in there. Major mistake. This should be in between here, not under. Thought it was a bit weird, so yeah. I got it in eventually. I do believe I rounded one of them. Didn't one. That was a hassle, so don't do that. The only thing missing now is attaching the caliper and just tighten up all the bolts. I mean, come on. Look at that. Man, that looks good. Whew! Which I had forgotten. Time to do the same on the other side, but I think I'll just do this. There we are. Should have recorded this side because this went so much better. Need to tighten something, but yeah. First one. Oh, second one, easy. This is easy. This is the new one, and there's no threads or anything, so I think it's just pushed down on. It didn't go exactly as I planned it, you could say. Whew. Nice. So I just bought this pressure bleeder. Never tried it before. Hopefully I can bleed by myself. Didn't know it was a universal cap on these. That's good. Oh, there's even this tool to... So really no idea how much pressure it should have, but it's an indicator showing that, yeah, we don't want to go red. Now let's try to bleed some brakes. Okay. Nice.